Hello everybody. Never gonna see my face. Hi. Hi. Here, I'll just come down. I don't even know if you can see me yet. Hello everybody, what's up? Marty, the Sport Truck, an expert of Film and I Care. And I wanted to teach you guys how to play Freebird on the keyboard. And so yeah, you're just gonna be seeing my hands in this video. It's gonna be the same angle throughout the whole thing. So yeah, it's just the intro part, just what I played there. You know, probably the most iconic. Well, for a keyboard anyway. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump right into this. There's two parts. Use both your hands. You got the chords, and then I don't know what you call it with just your hand. They're just singing. So I'm gonna start off with the chords. So let's just start you off. So you're gonna start off with the G chord. It's gonna be played right here, and that's a. Your thumb is going to be on a D, then you're going to have your pointer finger on a, what is that, G, and then your, I do my middle finger, I do my middle finger and my ring finger. Those are going to both be on an A. So you hold that, so. Now the next chord, you just basically move in. If you see what I'm doing here, you move these fingers up one, and then your thumb stays the same, and then your middle finger moves up to the A flat, or to the F sharp or G flat, whatever. And then your pointer finger moves to from the. So that was a B. This is a B, not an A. It moves to an A though. So start at a B, not an A. So yes, you go from the B to the A. Now this third chord is the same as the first, only it's just moved down too. So basically what you do is you just kind of, you just kind of bring these down. Oh wait, sorry. You bring it down and over one, and then your thumb slides over too. Now when you hold twice as long, because it has a little part over here, what is it, I don't even know if you can really hear that good. I'll have to turn up the volume when I do show you this side. But and then you move it up. You keep the same exact whatever position, whatever you call it, and then you slide it up one. So all you do is just move it up forwards one. Whole step or whatever, I don't know what you call it. I'm not too familiar with terms. I mean, whatever. Which is the same shape as a G chord. And that last one. Okay, so what we got is. Then what comes after, well, what we do is we keep our thumb in the same spot, hold that there, but slide these two fingers up one, so and slide up, and now you're sliding again. Only this time you're keeping these two fingers right here in the same spot, and you're sliding this one up one, and this one up two. Basically how I look at it is your pointer finger is in between the C sharp and E flat bars. Well, your pointer finger is on the D. It's in between the two black keys, and then you skip two white bars on each side, or two white keys on each side. I keep saying bars anyway. Two white keys on each side, and then that's where you have your other two fingers at. So yeah, that's their last chord there. And now this one here, you actually do something with your middle finger. You go. So I don't use just my middle finger. I use both these two fingers. And then what I do is so what you do is so you keep pulling this right here down, and you take your middle finger and move it up from the from the G to the F sharp, or down, and then to an F. Oh wait, no, sorry, not F. E. But I just go back and forth. Then you bring this one underneath. Then back up. Okay, I'll take it from the top here. That's what we got there. Sorry about that bug in the background. He's being a little annoying. So that's what you got. Man, this thing's being real loud. So that's all the chords. Now I'm gonna teach you how to do the stuff right here with your left hand. That's all the right hand stuff. Now time for left hand stuff. So the left side, you just kind of move down as the right side goes. It's nothing like you're not doing a bunch of stuff over here while you're doing something completely different over here. Actually, what you're doing is you're just playing the single bar instead of playing the whole chord. You're just playing single notes. So it might help if I turn on the keyboard. Sorry. There you go. Actually, I'll turn it up a little bit more for this side. So, in here you're going like you're playing a G chord. Over here you're playing a G. So, that's how it goes. It's basically what you're doing here. So, I'm going to start off. So you just play G, then F sharp, and an E. And that'd be the equivalent of. So that's at the very end. So while you're holding that last note, then you go. So you're holding it, and then you play E, A, C. Sorry, E, A, C. Right? Yes. So that's all kind of play. Yes, that's how it's played at the end of holding it. So you hold it for 1, 2, and then you play an F. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So F all the way down to C, and then D. And that's why I go on. So yeah, so that's all together, or the whole thing is. To F. All right, I'm sorry, my camera overheated, but I mean, kind of perfect timing if you ask me, because I finished it, but. So yeah, I'm just gonna run through it one more time, and then I'll count the measures out loud. Yes, this is now that you know everything. This is the final when you put it all together. And I'll count it out. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, you're not gonna really be able to hear me counting, so I'll just play it. If I can play it right. There you go. Kind of messed it up. never mind. Anyway, it just sounded funny. So yeah. So thank you guys all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let me know if you like these piano tutorials, and yeah, I might do guitar ones also. I was trying to do this actually the same song on guitar, but I kind of messed up a little bit. Maybe I'll do that next. So I'll do so. Yeah, thank you guys all for watching, and goodbye. Sharkman X Bro. 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 Sharkman X Bro.